everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna do a quick video. This was requested. Thank you guys so very much for giving me ideas and requests. What's in my purse? It's updated. I don't know the last time I did one of these. I personally think my purse is boring, but I have this brightly colored peach purse. It's a drawstring bag. And it's got these cute little buckles, and there's some blue polka dots. It's soft leather, and I got this purse at Kmart years ago. I have lots of purses that I've hung on to. So what's inside? And I'm pretty sure this is a Joe boxer. So let's take a deep dive. I have gum. What's in this pocket? Change, chapstick. A pin. I have a makeup bag, which I will, this came from the Dollar General. Very cute quilted makeup kind of bag. I'll share with you what's in that in a minute. And I recently got some coupons in the mail for Burger King, which are some really killer coupons. Some from Papa John's in there too. I had 2 of these Burger King ones. I also have a clipping of some breakfast drinks that I'd like to pick up. So just as a reminder, yeah, Papa John's. So all that. We have my card case and the case that I would carry my money in as well. One of the other What's in My Purse videos, I did get a comment complaining about not opening the wallet, and this is like a hard case wallet. I'm not going to do that because there is sensitive information in here. I did get this from Shop Miss A for only $1. And, yeah, I'm just not going to do that. That's cards, monies, things like that in there. Information that don't need to be out on the internet highway. Tissues. Assured antibacterial wet wipes. Okay. I have one of my masks, 2 Connor masks, a Minecraft and Dinosaur, mine cheetah print, and a John mask. I have several receipts, shopping list, messy purse. Anyways, hand sanitizers, and protection. And keys, and a little drive that I have pictures on for when I feel like printing pictures off at Walmart. And that, my friends, is my boring purse. So yeah, that's it. That's all that's in my purse. Now let's look in the makeup bag. What's in the makeup bag? So we have some sanitary napkins. I have CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous. This is kind of an odor powder. This came out around the time like their Katy Perry stuff came around or out, but it's still good. I still use it for touch-ups. I actually enjoy it for touch-ups. Okay, that's all there. And I have some cute fox clippers. I have a mirror, some alcohol pads. I have some Smackers lip glosses, and a hair tie. I have a nail file. I have a band-aid, and I have children's pain reliever. Totally random, but you know, you never know when I might get a scrape or a bump, because that's how children are. And yeah, and if I wanted to carry around any eyeliners and extras like that, I would throw them in here and then put them back in my makeup collection. Same with lipsticks and stuff. So that's why I don't have any of that kind of things in here right now, because I'm just not wearing any makeups and going out anywhere right now. So that, my friends, is what's in my purse and what's in this makeup bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box and the cards for additional links. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already.